if you go to see every day that video added. If you see the previous first day, the video which is on circulation, that video itself says about the parachute, about where from Betalbatim he comes 3 kilometers to Utorda where he was sitting and having a food. But that means the overall the police investigation was totally biased. See this parachute issue which comes in Betalbatim comes under jurisdiction of Kolwa police. Kolwa police just made an NC, okay, because there's no case. There's no case completely. The second issue, which is Utorda, comes under the Venna police station jurisdiction. But the way the IO portraying me as I'm a hardcore criminal, and all my past cases, which is only registered, those cases has no status left. All the cases are over, dismissed, discharged, okay, and those cases also had on my say. Anyway, I had a trust on the judiciary.
Bail is granted on surety of 20,000, and reporting is given that he should report for 10 to 1 for 5 days, if it is required by the IO. And general conditions are imposed to it, and they told him not to enter Betalbatim for 15 days and not to enter Utorda for 60 days. So tomorrow we also will be happy that to comply this condition, because tomorrow we want to prove this case is false. We want to give them maximum chance, and we challenge them to come and prove these allegations which they have made. And we will be exposing them by getting the correct real footage of the CCTV. And also we want to expose him by showing the correct unedited video from the mobile, which we are asking for the police. So we are happy that the order and the court has acted as per law, and we are very much happy with the order.